Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to block ads on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on Try It Now. Now from here, just copy this text. Then tap on Copy, and once you copy this text, then go to your home screen and open the Settings app. From here, just tap on Connections and Sharing, then tap on Private DNS. From here, select Specified DNS. Now in this section, just paste the copied text. Then tap on Save, and once you do that, you will disable all the ads from the third-party apps on your smartphone. Now, if this did not fix your issue, now just go back. In the main settings page, just tap on Google, then tap on All Services. From here, just tap on Ads. On this page, just tap on Delete Advertising ID. Then select Delete Advertising ID. Now, if the ads started appearing suddenly even on your home screen, now this is most likely happening because of an app which you have installed which carried a notification virus with it. Now, these viruses are usually an app which does not appear on your home screen or on your app drawer. They have no name, and their icon is a white circle. To find and delete the notification virus app, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Display and Brightness. And from here, just make sure you select Dark Mode. Now, after you enable Dark Mode on your smartphone, the next step is to go back. Now, in the main settings page, just tap on Apps, then tap on App Management. You will find all the apps which are installed on your smartphone. Now just look for an app which does not have a name and its icon is just a white circle. And this virus app will only appear on this list if you enable dark mode on your smartphone. So make sure you enable dark mode first. Now after you find the notification virus app, just tap on it, then select Uninstall. Now I will delete an app on this smartphone to show you the process of deleting the notification virus app. Now just select the notification virus app, then tap on Uninstall. From here, just select OK. And this is how you can block ads on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.